back to Red Ted Art. It's origami egg cup time. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So ideally you should have a piece of paper with 2 different colours. If you don't have 2 different colours, you can glue 2 sheets together, or you can have it plain, it doesn't really matter. We'll begin by folding up our paper to create a rectangle. Then turn it round so the flap is at the top, or the flap's at the bottom, and this closed bit is there. Fold over, open. Now you have a crease in the middle. I'm going to use it as a guideline. I'm now going to bring the edge to the crease. Open and repeat. And open. Okay, now you've got, fold this up, you're going to open it, and with your finger push that right into the corner, and as you push it you see a triangle coming down, and I'm just going to use my fingers to guide it along and make this little kind of like a house shape. Same again, let's have a look. Push your fingers in right up to the top, and as you're going up, push down this triangle. This actually is a basic origami house that you might have made before. Now we're going to flip it over, take this line and fold. Do it as neatly as possible. I'm not actually super neat today. And this line and fold. So you have a square. Now there should be 2 flaps here. Take one and turn it into a triangle. Take one of the flaps and again fold it up to turn it into a triangle. Once again, flip it over. Take this flap, turn it into a triangle, and this flap and turn it into a triangle. You should have a shape that looks like this. Now you've got 2 yellow triangles at the bottom. Pick one up, flip, pick the other one up, flip, and this is actually your egg cup. All we need to do now is puff it out. The way to do that is you open up the bottom, put your fingers in, and as you push it, you need to push this one down and then just neaten it. And that is your egg cup finished. That's really how simple it is. Just tidy it up a little bit. Yeah. Get your creases neat. Don't worry if there we go. See, everyone has to do a little bit of fiddling, and there it is. And I quite like this. I think it looks like a little daffodil. I think it's really sweet and really pretty. Last but not least, add some little faces with a Sharpie pen to your egg. Pop them in your egg cup. These are just some paper strips with some ears, and you've got your Easter decor ready. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.